To all, my name is K. Moksha. I am studying 7th class in our Geetanjali English Medium School. We are explain about the districts and their collectors.
Alluri Setaramraju,
A.S. Dinesh Kumar,
Anakapalli,
Mallavarapu Surya Teja,
Anantapur,
C. Vishnu Charan,
Annamaya,
Shivanarayani Sharma,
Bapatla,
Bhavana,
Chittur,
Adarsh Rajendran,
East Godavari,
Y. Meghaswarup,
Eluru,
Abhishek Gowda M.J.,
Guntur,
Ashutosh Srivastava,
Kakinada,
Apurva Bharat,
Konasima,
T. Nishanti,
Krishna,
Mallarapu Naveen,
Karnool,
Nurul Kwamer,
Nandyal,
Kollabatla Karthik,
NTR,
M.S. Ilekyas,
Palnadu,
B. Sanjana Simha,
Parvatipuram,
C. Ashwant Kumar Reddy,
Prakasam,
Kalpana Kumari,
SPSR Nellur,
M. Venkateshwarlu,
Sri Satya Sai,
Mantri Maurya Bharadwaj,
Srikakulam,
Swapnil Dinkar Punkar,
Tirupati,
Dr. Venkateshwar Saljamala,
Vishakhapatnam,
Gobila Vidyadhari,
Vijayanagaram,
Sedu Madhavans,
West Godavari,
Tatimukala Rahul Kumar Reddy,
YSR Kadapa.
Nidhi Meena. Thanks to all.